Experiencing login issues with Straight Talk? You're not alone. The most common reasons are account locks, corrupted cache data, or problems with two-factor authentication. Let's break it down. Account locks happen after 5 to 10 incorrect login attempts, a security measure to protect your account. Cache issues occur when your browser or the Straight Talk app stores outdated information, preventing proper login. Finally, 2FA, which Straight Talk uses via SMS, can fail if your registered phone number is outdated, the SIM card is inactive, or there's a delay in receiving the code. Since a major outage in mid-2024, login issues continue to be frequently reported. For account locks, wait a few minutes and try logging in again, making sure you have the correct password. If you're still locked out, use the Forgot Password option or contact Straight Talk support with your phone number or IMEI. Second, clear your browser or app cache. In your browser, go to Settings and clear browsing data. For the Straight Talk app, find it in your phone's Settings, go to Storage, and clear cache and data. According to recent analysis, clearing app cache resolves 80% of app-based login failures. Finally, for 2FA issues, ensure your registered phone number is correct and your SIM is active. If you've recently ported your number, contact Straight Talk to update your account details. Note that Straight Talk uses SMS-based 2FA. Authenticator apps are not yet supported. If problems persist, contact support.